Mastering Object-Oriented Programming in JavaScript. Welcome to Mastering Object-Oriented Programming in JavaScript. In this tutorial, we'll delve deep into the world of objects and object-oriented programming in JavaScript. Before we dive into coding, let's understand the fundamentals of objects in JavaScript. Objects in JavaScript are collections of key-value pairs, where each value can be a primitive type, an object, or even a function. Objects allow us to encapsulate related data and behavior into a single entity. But how can we leverage object-oriented programming principles in JavaScript? JavaScript supports object-oriented programming through prototypal inheritance. By using constructor functions, we can create multiple instances of objects with shared properties and methods. Now, let's explore some advanced concepts like inheritance and polymorphism. Inheritance allows us to create a hierarchy of classes, where child classes inherit properties and methods from parent classes. Congratulations, you've mastered object-oriented programming in JavaScript. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.